right, Caribbean American Heritage Month may be coming to an end, but that doesn't mean you can't keep those delicious jerk flavors around all summer long. I recently spoke with Chef Darian Bryan for some fun ways to spruce up your barbecues. Take a look. Hi, Chef. I'm so excited to be chatting with you. I'm always looking for inspiration in the kitchen. And today you're cooking up something in honor of Caribbean American Heritage Month. Tell me more.
I'm the right guy to inspire because, I'm straight from Jamaica, so I'm giving the island flavor, Jamaican flavor. So today I'll be making a jerk lobster with a grilled pineapple salsa. Beautiful, fresh, spice up your life, summertime. We're grilling, we're chilling. So what we got? I got my lobster, the star of the show.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That's a big boy.
Yes, a big boy. Nice and fresh. It's going to be delicious. Got me some jerk sauce. Love jerk lobster.
Yeah.
I wish you guys could smell this right now.
Oh, me too.
Smells amazing. So I'm just gonna wipe this, and I wish you guys can see. I'm gonna just show you guys. I'm gonna wipe it in.
Ooh.
Get it nice and pasty in there.
Yeah.
Don't be shy. It's flavorful. It's delicious.
That looks
amazing. My inspiration for this recipe is my wife and kids, especially my daughter. She loves seafood. So I always want to give them my island flavor, my island vibes too, you know what I mean? What I'm going to do, I'm going to lay this on the grill, flesh side down, pop the grill open, I'm going to lay it down. All right, I love to sing, but that doesn't work. All right, I'm going to lay this down, let it chill there.
Right.
What I like to do, I like to break the claws up a little bit.
Got it. So it can really cook.
Then I just rub the extra seasoning off the spoon on the claw so that I can soak down into the lobster.
Okay. How long are you cooking it for?
So for at least 8 minutes until the color is like nice and pink. So due to long cooking time, I got some prepare ahead of time for you guys. And that's what it looks like.
All right, Chef, thank you so much. Yes, totally appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me again. I'll see you guys soon, all right? Let's go.